CAD files can be large, and not everyone has the right software to open them. Converting them to PDF makes sharing and viewing much easier. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to easily convert a CAD file into a PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. Let's get started. In the Systweak PDF Editor, go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. To convert a CAD file to a PDF file, click on Convert From, and you'll see a list of all the formats you can change into PDF. Select CAD to PDF from the given options. A window will pop up. Select your CAD file and click Open. The tool will instantly convert your CAD file into a PDF file. Click OK, and the PDF file will also be automatically saved in the same location as the original document, and your new PDF will open up. This was the original CAD file, and here's the PDF file we just created from it. If you want to convert multiple CAD files to PDF, here's how you can do it. Click on Convert, then click Batch Process, and choose Batch Create. Now simply drag and drop the files here. Once you're all set, click on Create PDF, and Systweak PDF Editor will convert all your files in one go. And that's it. All your files are now saved as PDFs. So that's how easy it is to convert a CAD file into a PDF file using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If there's any issue, just write it in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.